will respond.
I would be concerned if I were in Gary.
I'd be concerned about the campground because I don't know how far
Yeah.
close.
Like, it's so calm though. I wish we could hear the roar.
Yeah, I can't hear a roar. I
No.
just hear the rumble of thunder.
God almighty. Wow. Is it even moving?
It's not moving very fast. I mean, it did go from there to there.
It feels like it's slowing down.
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
It's not moving as fast.
No.
The motor? Oh, that's the vehicle.
God. But why is it like every time we get tornadoes around here, it's always the north side of the lake?
That's okay.
Wow. Oh my God. In a way, I'm glad we got back here to see this. I'm glad it's not coming toward us, but I'm glad we got to see it. It's like normally it'd be like rain wrapped or something, but wow.
Oh, Lake Cochran improvement. Posted.
Oh. Was that? Wow. It's like hardly moving at all. It's like, Reed Timmer, where are you? This would be like the perfect one for him. I'd be really nervous if I was at the campground right now. Are they blocking off the road?
I don't know. Where he's going.
It sure looks like it's right over the golf course right now, but I don't know.
I think he's going the other way around the lake.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's getting bigger.
Yeah.
That's not good. Wow.
Closer. Can't tell if it's closer.
Look at that. Oh man. Air just got still again. Oh my gosh. I think it's going to hit the north side of the lake.
It might.
I think it will.
Maybe they're going around to the other side of the one.
I wonder if that's why the fire rescue went the other way. I bet they're going around the other side.
Like, well, if you can't hear the siren.
I was hoping you could hear like the roar, but it's like I can't hear anything.
I just bought a new canopy after the storm last fall, you know.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, because yeah.
I don't need to buy another one.
No.
Of course, it'll be more than the canopy of it.
Yeah.
I don't think you have to change direction pretty dramatically to get there over here.
Oh, well,
It's not necessarily done either.
no, we're not done because the front hasn't come through yet.
Right.
So, well, tornado watch is out till 1 a.m. Gosh. I've never seen anything this phenomenal.
No, I mean, this is so distinct and obvious that it's like,
Yeah, and I remember Tornado Tuesday.
yeah.
It's almost 20 years to the day.
22.
Yeah, 2003. But
Wow.
it's getting bigger.
Well, it's probably on farmland there.
It is, but regardless.
Yeah, I don't hear any like freight train sound or anything like that.
Well, I'm sure if we
must
were,
not be close
I
enough.
was sure if we're over on the northwest part of the lake, you'd probably be able to hear it. We're probably 3 miles away from it. But the nice thing out here is there aren't a lot of obstructions, but it's not as clear now, but